How to ensure your business AI is ethical and compliant. What if your AI made a decision that discriminated, leaked sensitive data, or violated a law without you even knowing? As AI powers more of your business, ethics and compliance aren't optional, they're your new competitive edge. AI can automate decisions, process massive data, and optimize operations. But if unchecked, it can also amplify bias, violate privacy, and create legal risks. Ensuring your AI is ethical and compliant protects your brand, customers, and future. Here's how to do it right. Step 1. Start with transparency. Know what your AI model does, how it makes decisions, and what data it uses. Use explainable AI, XAI tools, to make outputs understandable to non-technical stakeholders and regulators. Step 2. Train with unbiased data. Audit your datasets for bias and exclusion. AI reflects the data it's trained on, so if your inputs are flawed, your outcomes will be too. Balance demographic representation and remove historical prejudice. Step 3. Prioritize privacy and data governance. Ensure compliance with GDPR, HIPAA, or CCPA by anonymizing data, securing consent, and applying strict access controls. Store and process data ethically, not just legally. Step 4. Build an AI ethics committee. Form an internal team to evaluate the societal impact of AI use cases. Include diverse voices, legal, technical, operational, and even external ethicists to review risks before deployment. Step 5. Monitor and retrain. AI is never set and forget. Continuously test for accuracy, fairness, and compliance. Update models as regulations evolve or new risks emerge. Smart AI isn't just powerful, it's principled. Want to build AI your customers can trust? Like, comment,